Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Talk with AJ. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we'll be talking about the Wipro Smart Plug. This is a 16 ampere smart plug and let's see how this product performs. Let's begin. Now why this is called a smart plug? Because this can be controlled remotely via your smartphone or even voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. To control this smart plug remotely, you'll need to connect this plug to your Wi-Fi. Now remember, this one only supports 2.4 GHz. As this is a 16 ampere smart plug, this supports majority of the heavy appliances at home like your geysers, microwave and also the air conditioners. But the smart plug will not make your appliances totally smart. For example, if you connect this to your air conditioner, it will only turn on or off the power supply to your air conditioner. You will have to turn on the air conditioner manually via the remote control. Same goes with the microwave. This will only turn on and off the power supply to the microwave and rest everything has to be done manually. But one appliance that you can completely automate is the geyser. With COVID around, it's essential to have a bath once you're back home. And the smart plug will enable you to turn on the geyser remotely before you reach home. That's fantastic. You can also set the automated timers using the smartphone application. For example, if you have a bath every day at 8 am, you can set the geyser to turn on at 7:45 am and automatically turn off at 8:10 am. You can also choose which days of the week would you like to use the automated timers. Like if you'd like to only use between Monday to Friday, that's possible. Now I have been using this smart plug for more than a year and my reason is completely different. I use this smart plug to monitor the energy consumption of my air conditioner. There have been many times that I had to pay a huge amount of electricity bills and I wanted to find out if my air conditioner was the culprit and the reason for the bills. Since I have got this device, the electricity to this smart plug has always been on. So more than a year, the plug has continuously been turned on and it's still working. So I'm pretty sure the quality of this product is pretty good. Recently I saw a video on YouTube where an EV, electric vehicle owner, used the smart plug while charging his electric vehicle at a hotel to calculate the electricity consumption so that he could pay the hotel for the electricity used by him. I wouldn't get into the details of setting this up as it's pretty plug and play, but let me walk you through the layout of the application. So this is the Android application from Wipro. Let me just go ahead and open the application. Once the application is open, you can see I have already renamed this smart plug as AC because I have connected this to my air conditioner. I click on AC. Now you will see a toggle button to turn on and off the electricity supply of this smart plug. So next is the timer section. Once I click on the timer section, you can see I can add various timers. As mentioned in the video, if you have connected this to your geyser, I'll go ahead and set a timer to turn the geyser on every day at 7:45 am. So here is 7:45. Here you go, 7:45 am. Here in the power section, I'll select I want to turn on the power and I will turn on the notification as well. So whenever the timer is triggered, I'll get a notification on my mobile saying that the smart plug has been turned on. And when do I want to repeat it? I want to repeat it from Monday to Friday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you go. And I'll go ahead and click on save. Now you can see there's a timer set for weekdays to turn on the smart plug at 7:45 am. Now I'll also add another timer to turn off the smart plug, which I want to do at 8:10 am. Now that's 8:10 am from Monday to Friday. That's weekdays. I'll turn on the notification as well. Now in the power section, I'll click on turn off because I want to turn off the device. I'll click done and click save. That's it. When you want to delete the timer, you can tap on the timer and click on confirm delete and you can delete the timer as well. The next we have is the countdown. For example, if you want to turn off the device in the next 2 hours or how many hours you want, you can do that as well and click on OK. Now you will see it says the device will be turned off in the next 2 hours. Now the last feature, which is one of my favorite ones, is the electric feature. Now once you click on the electric section, you will see all the details of the power consumption used by your smart plug or the appliance that is connected to your smart plug. In my case, that's my air conditioner. Now currently my air conditioner is working on the smart plug, and you can see that it's using 418 watts of electricity. Next is the voltage. It's been running on 245 volts as well. On the top you will see today's electricity consumption. So I have just turned on the AC for last 15-20 minutes, so it's just 0.19 units. But below, if you scroll below, you can see for the month of April my air conditioner has consumed around 17.73 units. Now for the month of March, my air conditioner has consumed 91.58 units. Now you can calculate it as per your area and the rate per unit. And this is very important to calculate your electricity consumption by your air conditioner or any appliances, so that you can predict your electricity bill. And it also gives a detailed bifurcation of the units consumed each day. Now that's really useful. So that's it from this application. The application has a really good user experience, and I really love the simplistic design of this application. So as you guys must have seen, this is a fantastic device to monitor your electricity consumption and also automate home appliances. Before you buy this smart plug, just remember this is a 16 ampere smart plug that fits into plugs that supports heavy appliances like the microwave, air conditioner and the geysers. If you're looking for normal usage like your desk lamp, I would suggest you go for the 10 ampere version of this smart plug. Do let me know if you have any queries or concerns in regards to this product. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you guys soon.